In this video, I'll show you how to update Roblox on your PC or laptop. First, close Roblox completely. Next, click the Start menu and search for Roblox. If your app is called Roblox Player and you see the Open File Location option, you're using the desktop version of Roblox. If it's simply called Roblox and you see App Settings, you're using the Microsoft Store version. For the Microsoft Store version, open the Xbox app and go to Library. Select Roblox. If you see an update button, click it. If no update is available or the option is unavailable, you can uninstall Roblox and reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. For the desktop version, simply launch Roblox. If an update is available, it will automatically download and install before the game opens. If Roblox doesn't update, close it again. Right-click the Start menu and open Installed Apps. On Windows 10, this may be called Apps and Features. Search for Roblox, click the three-dot menu, and select Uninstall. After it's removed, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Click Download Roblox. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the latest version of Roblox. And that's how you can update Roblox on your PC or laptop.